Hello, welcome. Let's put the episode 17 to use. In episode 17, we talk about the resultant magnitude or the resultant force of two concurrent forces. So if I have two forces of magnitude 6 Newton and 10 Newton act on a body, their resultant is of a magnitude of 12. We need to find the angle that is between the two forces. Remember, we were told in that episode to make a sketch of our diagram. So let's see if I have this as the first force, this being the second force, I can make this to be parallel to the first force, and this being parallel to the second will give rise to what we are calling the parallelogram. So this is the second force, which will be 10 Newton. The first force, which will be 6 Newton. The angle between them is theta. We are looking for. Then the resultant force is here, which we have been told is what? 12 Newton. So these are all the information given to us. Remember, this is also going to be 10 Newton, since I want to make use of this. This will be 180 minus theta. That is the angle, because this line and this line are parallel. So theta and this are co-interior angles. Now, what do? We are going to applying the cosine rule. Let's say we label here as the common point where the two forces are acting. Label here as A, B, and what? C. So applying the cosine rule to the triangle we just label OAB, what we are going to do is the resultant force 12 square equals to the first force, which is 6 square, the second force 10 square minus 2 times the first times the second cos 180 minus what? Theta, by the laws of what? Cosine rule. Then the angle in the bracket also is under compound angle in that trigonometry. So we can rewrite this as 144 is equals to 36 plus 100 plus 26. Okay, let me just say 2 times this is 20 times this 120, then cos what? Theta. Remember, this is negative. We now make it positive and pick only the theta, because the whatever angle that will be there, when we expand it using compound angle property, it will give you negative of this. So that negative of this, change this to make it what? Positive. So let's go forward and have 144 equals to, here will be 136, I guess, plus 120 cos what? Theta. We are looking for theta, so we can maintain the 120 cos theta there and take away this from both sides, meaning 140 minus 136 should be equals to 120 cos what? Theta. I guess 4 here, making it 40. So we have 8, if I'm not lying. That should be 8. Okay. So we have 8 equals to 120 cos theta. So let's divide both sides by 120. Your cos theta will become 8 divided by 120. I believe 2 go here, 4. Okay, let's use 4. 4 here, 2. 4 here, 30. So 1 over 15. So let's see, theta will be equals to the cos inverse of 1 over 15. Is that true? If I multiply here by 8, 80, that's true. So Let's find that on the calculator and see what that will give us. And that will give you 86.16 degrees. So we can say therefore, so by conclusion, we can say that the angle between the forces 6 Newton and the force 10 Newton is going to be 86.818 or 86.2, or better still 86 degree to the nearest whole number is 86.18, not 16. All right, I guess concept is also grasped. In the previous, we learned how to find the direction also. So you can try and see what is the direction of the resultant force 12 that it makes with what the force 6 Newton, and share that in the comment section as we keep learning together. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.